Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nyx Noel here and I'm back with another video. And this video we're going to be doing some challenges. Yes, we're going to be doing some makeup challenges. A one dip makeup challenge. Hi guys, welcome. So today we're going to be doing a one dip makeup challenge. Yes, I saw this one dip makeup challenge done by James Charles months ago and I'm like, why not try it out like right now? It's very self-explanatory. One dip makeup challenge, meaning you only have one dip at each product, one blob of foundation, one dip of eyeshadow, and you gotta make it work for your whole face. You gotta make that one dip work. Let's get into the video. Before that, please do subscribe, click that notification bell so you're notified every time I post a brand new video, and I'm gonna give you 5 seconds to click that button. Thank you for subscribing and welcome to the exploration station. Here is your ticket. Okay, now let's get into it. So, concealer. Let's conceal what needs to be concealed. Since this is not liquid, this is a stick, a crayon concealer. I'm just gonna be doing a one swipe. I guess that could work. One swipe of this concealer. One swipe. Oh my gosh, I don't know if that's gonna work. One swipe. One swipe. Swipe, 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 swipe. Oh, god dang. Swipe. And now we blend it in. Now, I honestly can't wait for the result. By the way, the concealer I'm using is by L'Oreal. It's True Match in the shade W45. I don't know how this is gonna work. The foundation though, I don't know how that's gonna work. Let me know if you guys are liking challenges, makeup challenges. That's what I'm gonna be doing for the next videos, laying low on the tutorials and just doing these makeup challenges, you know, because I've got a lot in store. Okay, now we do the foundation. Let's see how this is gonna work. So, this is how much I'm gonna be using. I have no idea if that's gonna work, honestly. Like, look how little that product. Look at the amount of that. Let's make it work. Let's make it work. Let's make it work. Make it work and make it work. Make it work. I think it's gonna work. This is coverage. I think it's gonna work. Let's make it work. This is the exploration station. We explore what's thrown towards us. Okay. Let's make it work. I think it's gonna work. Okie dokie. Now, by the way, this foundation is also L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour matte cover in the shade Caramel Beige 108. I'm honestly loving the L'Oreal products. They've done well on my face. Not bad with a one squat and one dip. I don't know about the blush though, if that's gonna work. Because, you know, with the blush, I need to full on with my blush. But then I came across this challenge and I accepted. Okie dokie, now we got our full coverage on. Let's do the brows. Okay, so maybe to make this work, I'm gonna be getting the small angle brush and just dipping it in my eyeshadow palette and see if that's gonna work. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys one dip. One dip. Got you. That was one swipe. First, brush them out. I honestly don't have to fill this in too much because my eyebrows are already thick. And we're going for a natural eyebrow look. So we fill her in. That's not nice. That did not do anything at all. So is it one dip per eyebrow? They didn't say anything about one dip for 2 eyebrows. So one dip per eyebrow. One dip per eyebrow. And then we brush it up again. We brush it up again. Alrighty, artichoke, let's go. Let's do some eyes now. Right. I have no idea if I'm gonna do this eyes right. Okay, so One dip, one swipe. Oh gosh. And you know the season right now, it's all about the brow. It's all about the eyes. Oh, this is not looking good, bro. No, not looking good. Okay. Let's go for a dark brown. Let's go for this color. Wait. Ugh. I'm so torn. Oh my gosh, I can't. I'm so blind. Okay, let's go for this color here. Yeah, her. Let's go for her. One swipe. Get all the product you can get so you can work. Pack her on. Oh. Okay, I guess we're gonna go for a subtle look. Oh, this is so sad. Let's do the same with the other side. Back to the other side. Come on now. Oh, my left eye is looking naked. Oh, that is a naked eye right there. That looks like a naked eye. Okay, let's go for something maybe, yeah, that one. Let's go for that. Let's go for her. You know what? No. I'm sorry for all the indecisiveness. So let's go for that one up there. All the product into your brush. Sorry if I'm using the same brush because I want the product that's stuck in here to be still on. Okay, that's some color right there. I guess we're gonna go for a brownish, color on the eyes. It's not looking bad. It's not bad. Looks pretty nice. Let's do the same. The other side. It did not say one dip for 2 eyes. So I'm doing a 1 dip per eye. Now that you think of it, we're saving product here. And we're all about saving, aren't we? Seize the day, right? Seize the day. I honestly don't know what I'm talking about here. Okie dokie, artichoke. Do you want some sparkle? Let's just get some sparkle. Sparkle, sparkle. Let's go for this one. I think it gives a nice sparkle to it. I'm also going to use that for my highlight because it's my favorite highlight right here. It just brings it out. You know what? I'm going to get me some new highlight. Lol. Let's go dip her in, dip her in. Put her in. Let's pack her on the lid. Give it a little glitter on the eyes, Make that eye pop. Make her pop. Yeah. Okay, let's do another one on the other side. On the other eye. Okie dokie. There she goes. There she goes again. That's not looking bad. No do no 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 no. I can work with that. Okay, now we go for some eyeliner. I know I'm gonna be using an eyeliner pen. So this is a 1 dip challenge. I'm gonna be doing a 1 swipe challenge for this one. Okay, I don't know how that's gonna turn out, but let's do it. 1 swipe of everything. 1 swipe. I'm gonna make that really thin. 1 swipe. I'll just leave it like that. 1 swipe and 1 swipe. Yeah, I think that's gonna be like a graphic eyeliner. That's not bad. I think I made that work. Let's go for some contour and some blush. Okay, 1 swipe of the contour here. Let's go swipe her in. Swipe. Ugh. Okay, swipe. Wow, that's so thin. Swipe. Swipe. And then we just blend it. Okay, so swipe. Swiper, no swiping. 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 Gotta get rid of those harsh lines. And then we do a 1 swipe for the nose line too. Release. Okay. Just use this swipe in there. My goodness, that does not look nice. It did not say to not multiple, blend, so I'm multiple blending. I think this 1 dip is working real good, and we're saving product here. We're also saving money. We save product, we save money. You got you? You got me? Because I got you. We all got each other. Alright, now we do some blush. Okie dokie, artichoke. Let's get some blush. I'm gonna be using my eyeshadow palette to get some blush because I don't want to use a cream blush because we're not gonna get a lot of product from that. We'll get more product from a powder. Okay, pack that blush. I don't see any blush. Wait, I do. I do see blush. I see the blush. Oh my god, it's working. Yes, it's working to the core. Okay, now that the blush is all there. Now let's do some, where am I? Lipstick. Okay, so as for the lipstick, I'm gonna be using a liquid lipstick because yeah, it's a one dip thing. So we're gonna be just taking one dip out and just using that. Okay. Okay, I think this is already dry. I used all the product from this. So that worked really well. Once we let that dry out a bit, we're gonna add in the lip gloss. Same goes with the lip gloss. We're just gonna be using one turn from this lip gloss. Just one turn. Just wait for the product to come out. This is going on real well. Okie dokie, artichoke. Now to finish out the look, I'm gonna be putting my falsies on. I'll be right back. Okay, now the lashes are on. I did say to finish the look, but I'm not done yet. We still got some mascara and my highlight. So one dip is one swipe of the mascara. Yeah, it's just right out of the bottle. Just use whatever products on that applicator. Hopefully it does justice to these lashes. Okie dokie, artichoke. Now for the highlight. So I'm just going to be using my finger for this. It's middle finger here. One, to be very wise with this. Not bad. Not bad, Miss Nikki. Okay. Now we got that down. That's the look, you guys. That is the look. So that is like all one. Ow! I just poked my eye. Okay, that is just one swipe, dip, blob of everything, from foundation to one swipe of concealer to one swipe or one dip of eyeshadow to one swipe of my trusty eyeliner to one swipe of the mascara to one swipe of blush to one blob of blush. Everything is one dip, one swipe, one blob. So that's the look. My eyes are burning really bad. So yeah, that's the look, guys. So on that note, please do subscribe and click that notification bell so you're notified every time I post a brand new video, and follow me on Instagram because why not? Yeah, please do leave a like, comment down below whatever you guys want to comment down in terms of challenges. You guys want to challenge me to anything, I am down. My eyes are looking so bad right now because I just poked it. I am down to try challenges. Sorry. If you hear any clanking in the video, that's Maggie. She's just clickety clacky cleaning all over. So yeah, that's the look, that's the tea, that's the look. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.